What up, what up, what up, what up, people? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna go actually do a pickup that I'm sure a lot of you guys would be hyped to see. I'm actually gonna go hit Cartier real quick and pick up my newest piece. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. So let's get into it. Guys, so back at the house, just wanted to get into a quick review now, a little bit more in depth of my new Juste Clou bracelet. Also want to, I guess, before we get into the review, give a shout out to Karma and Luck. They actually sent me this like really sick jewel encrusted tree. It's supposed to bring like good luck and everything to your house. So shout out to Karma and Luck. I'll link them in the description below if anybody's interested in this really cool tree that they do and the design. I think it's really sick for the house and it's just really nice. So we'll put that guy over there for background stuff. All right, so let's jump into the review. So basically I've wanted this Juste Clou for as long as I can remember. It's essentially the same exact nail bracelet that I already have from Cartier, except on the nail head right here, it's encrusted with Pave set diamonds all around, and then also at the nail tip, it has, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but I'll try my best. So it has Pave set diamonds, white diamonds on each side. Kind of, to me, kind of, if it focuses, it kind of looks like a stingray design, how they did the Pave setting on the tip. But yeah, it's a beautiful piece. I was looking at it originally in the rose gold, but yeah, for some reason Cartier's rose gold is a little bit pinker and it's not as red, so it doesn't really, it's not that it's ugly in my opinion, I just don't feel like it sits right on my skin. And since I already have my Ecrou bracelet and my Juste Clou plain and pretty much all my other pieces in yellow gold, I figured I might as well stick to the yellow gold with the next piece. So jumping into basically what it comes with, I ended up shipping, oh yeah, let's start with that. I ended up shipping this piece because since the retail is already so high, I figured, you know, maybe I could save a couple bucks shipping it to another home. So I shipped it out of the state, so I saved a little bit. So when you ship it, since half the time I always leave the Cartier mansion with my pieces, it comes wrapped in this paper around the box. I know some people have seen this. This is the first time I've ever seen it. And this is like the Cartier hot stamp that they put on the packaging, on the outer box when they wrap it and they send it. So I think that's kind of cool. Very cool little detail that they put on the actual wrappings and stuff. So I'll save this on the side. Comes with an extra, I have a bunch of these, extra travel pouch. It's like, I don't think, maybe this is suede. I don't know what this is, but it's nice. You could put a watch in here. You could put pretty much anything and travel with it. It's good for traveling, so you don't have to carry like a full jewelry box. So this is good. Also, obviously, to put this guy in. And then they shipped it also with another Cartier bag. The box came inside here. And then the bracelet would come in this big box, just the same way that my first Juste Clou came. It comes in this box. Open it up. So it comes just like that. Put it like that. So yeah, so Cartier does a full Pave version of the Juste Clou, as well as this guy right here, and then the plain one. The retail of the full Pave one is insane. Maybe one day, if I could hustle it up enough, I could get it. But yeah, this one is amazing in itself, and definitely was one of my gold pieces, and I got it, and I'm happy to have it now in the collection. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, actually, also, it has the same, I'm gonna pick everything up. It has the same inside, like, insignia all over the bracelet, so it'll show, like, I don't know if anybody's gonna see that in there, but it basically says Cartier and the size, and then the serial number and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it on for you guys, so you could see it without me wearing my little red bracelet that I had on the other day. Just open that there. I don't wanna drop it. Click that on right there. Yeah, I think it looks cool, all like layered up together with the Ecrou, the plain Juste Clou, Pave, and then also my thick Ecrou, my thick Juste Clou ring. I think it looks cool. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the description box below. Drop me a comment, and let me know how you feel in this stack. I have worn it with the love bracelet, but I feel like for like for my style and for my rock look, I feel like this goes better right now than with the love bracelet and stuff. So I'm rocking out with the Juste Clou for right now and the Ecrou bracelet. So like always, guys, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned to all of the new videos that are coming out soon. The giveaway video is coming very soon. I'm just trying to figure out, like, it's between like 2 items right now, and I'm trying to figure out which one is a better item to give away. So yeah, stay tuned to that video. I'm gonna announce it very, very soon. And also, we have a lot of new content, so keep crushing that subscribe button. Don't forget, if you guys have any questions, DM me on Instagram at Ariel.Rosado29, and I'll see you guys in the next video.